Just like that. Go. First voyage in White Lick Creek in Brownsburg. We put in on a vacant lot up there in the creek, and we're floating down. We're going to be about halfway to Avon here in a little while and have somebody come get us, go back and get the truck. So got to very primitive form of handling this camera. This is all by hand. I don't have one of them cool sticks that people have been using, but I got a strong horse motor in the front, so I can just sit back and steer every once in a while. Pretty nice day. It's about 90 degrees outside, but it's nice down here in the shade. This is the day of the Indianapolis 500 100th running. It just got over a couple hours ago. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. We launched at 6:15. I don't know how long it's going to take us to get downstream, but this is totally uncharted territory for us. We don't know what kind of obstacles we're going to get into and have to portage around or over under, but we'll see. Drifting along, we've been at it for 45 minutes. Hit a couple of shallow spots where the fat guy here in the back had to get out and help float the boat a little better and push through the gravel, and we got little rapids, nothing major or nothing dangerous, just shallow water where the water speeds up and ripples over the rocks. But got another one coming ahead. We've seen a lot of ducks down here, a couple of kids, a guy looking for arrowheads, some skinny dippers, and fun little day on the creek for a first float trip with my new canoe. Although it's not a new canoe, it's a Jackson Kayak. Deer up ahead, see it?
Yep.
Nice and red color. See if you can get us through this in four-wheel drive here, Logan, without tipping us over. That wasn't too bad.
Alright,
I'm gonna have to put the camera down and get some steering action going, two hands here. Okay, we hit a big log jam. That big log over there in the far distance, right there. We came down to the other side of that, and it's deep, deep water, so we had to go back up a little bit, get out and cross the bank, get back in right here on the in the boat, and come down here across this log, and paddled to this far. Then we hit some real shallows again, so we had to get out and clean the sand out of our shoes, and big hefty log jam on this thing. Probably take a good thunderstorm or some dynamite to break that thing up the way it's woven in there. But we have jumped a lot of ducks out here. Of course, this is what the month of May. Tomorrow's Memorial Day. But man, I can't wait for hunting season. I've never done it before, but this will be the year that I get to. All right, ready to get back in some paddling water. Hold on, don't pull yet. I gotta get my paddle. and I got to get in. Okay, fat guy's in. Just follow this little deep ditch till we run aground here. Using my Kodak PlaySport. This is not a GoPro. This is a camera I've had for a long time. It's waterproof. It does good video, high def. Because I have it, I use it. It takes a charge well, downloads easy. But right now we're stuck, so I gotta put my camera down and engage 4-wheel drive here.